Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to uninstall Bybit application on your device. First step is to long press the Bybit application on your home screen and you will get options like this. Click on remove app option. Now click on delete app and you need to confirm it once again. Second step is to go to your settings and click on general. Now click on storage option. From here you can search Bybit application. Now click on delete app button and you will get a prompt like this. Confirm it once again. As you can see that Bybit application has been deleted. So that is how you can uninstall or delete Bybit application from your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.